Johnson and Faith share their insights into dropshipping. It's a popular way to build an online business with minimal upfront investment. Dropshipping is a fantastic model for e-commerce, but it requires mastering key skills like product selection, supplier reliability, and marketing. Finding the right products is crucial. Focus on trending niches that solve problems. Validate them with your target audience before committing. Ensure supplier reliability by vetting them, ordering samples, reading reviews, and communicating clearly about lead times. Marketing is the backbone of success. Use organic and paid strategies, especially on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Track metrics like website traffic and conversion rates. Optimize product pages with quality images and compelling copy. To scale the business, automate and outsource tasks. Expand ad spend and explore new product niches and sales channels. With the right strategies, you can transform dropshipping into a full-fledged brand, focusing on consistency and adaptability.